This is the Overland Eagle. Dude, how cool is this?
I mean, this is awesome. The fact that you basically have like a campsite set up anywhere you go in 30 seconds.
And I think the name of the game here is storage, right? Because where would you put all this stuff if you didn't have it folded up in that little box that we just saw, right?
I mean, that's amazing. Basically, you would fill up the inside, outside, and the trailer behind it.
Yep. So now we've got a grill over here. We've got chairs. We've got tabletops. The optional umbrellas, of course.
We've got, of course, got the cooler for our favorite cold beverage.
Yes, we
and
have
a power
that.
source.
Yeah, we've got USB. We've got 12 volt. You can see we've got underglow lighting because, of course.
I'm gonna rock my kids' tailgates.
Dude, there's so many different things, right? So, like, yeah, your kids' games, right?
Yeah.
Sporting events.
But you know what? This is gonna look awesome at SEMA. That's one thing you gotta keep in mind.
Yeah, so you guys, if you're out there at SEMA and you see this vehicle, you're gonna have to walk around, check it out. I would highly advise coming by it, sitting down. You can see how comfortable it is. I mean,
yeah, you have to
touch
sit
it,
in
feel
it to really do it justice. I mean, this is comfort right here. I'll tell you, you can swivel around a little, lay back. So it's the way to do SEMA.